The Defiant X is Sikorsky's entry into the Army's Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft (FLRAA) program, which aims to replace the Black Hawk helicopter. Although the U-60 has been a reliable workhorse and regularly updated with new tech, Defiant X is an outgrowth of the SB-1 Defiant Technology Demonstrator helicopter, which hit 238 miles per hour in tests and was reported to crush 288 miles per hour as its next milestone. The new helicopter also features fly-by-wire controls. These turn the pilot's physical movements into electrical signals that are fed into the flight computer, which then interprets the movements into commands to the flight control surfaces.